Hotel Nayaab, established in 1986, is a renowned restaurant in Hyderabad, celebrated for its authentic Hyderabadi and Mughlai cuisine. The menu showcases a variety of traditional dishes passed down through generations, such as Mutton Biryani, Chicken 65, and Mutton Paya. Famous for slow-cooked meats and flavorful spices, the restaurant caters to all tastes, offering breakfast items like Malai Paya and Irani Chai, alongside desserts like Kubani Malai and caramel egg pudding. The restaurant is known for its consistency, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. Hotel Nayaab's breakfast, lunch, and dinner options highlight classic Hyderabadi flavors, and its location near Charminar in Hyderabad makes it easily accessible. The restaurant operates daily from 4 a.m. to midnight. Regular dishes include Mutton Biryani, Tandoori Chicken, and Keema Khichdi, along with sweet treats like Shirmal and Kubani Malai. For those in a rush, takeaway and delivery options are available. The restaurant has garnered positive reviews for its flavorful food and traditional atmosphere, though some customers note occasional service concerns. Despite this, Hotel Nayaab remains a beloved spot for those seeking a genuine taste of Hyderabad's culinary heritage. Its rich history, authentic menu, and warm ambiance ensure it remains a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the best of the city's food scene.